Scene 1. Introduction. The camera sweeps across a breathtaking array of landscapes. The sun rises over a golden desert. Rivers glint like threads of silver through sprawling forests, and calm mountains reach upward as if in prayer. Each frame comes together like a mosaic of the earth's infinite beauty. King of the kingdom of God, narrator. Behold the masterpiece of humanity, a story written with the wind's breath and sunlight's ink. Imagine the earth as a painted mural, vibrant with all its beings and beliefs. But now, consider this. While the eyes see the surface, the heart beholds the soul. Real sight begins within. To carry that vision, one must seek not through answers, but through questions. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom, unveiled. The setting switches to a peaceful clearing where Chief Seattle stands, the fires of a council glowing softly around him as he addresses his tribal community, his words brimming with ancient wisdom passed through generations. Chief Seattle, actor. The air we breathe, the rivers we drink from, they are alive. Not possessions, but kin. Did you know that the earth whispers truths greater than the loudest voice? My brothers and sisters, lift your gaze not just to the horizon, but to the spirit within. Only there lies clarity. The scene gently fades to a depiction of an Aboriginal elder seated on the warm orange sand, surrounded by attentive listeners. Australian Aboriginal elder, actor. In the stories of the Dreamtime, we are reminded, connection with the earth is not a task, but a bond. Look to the sky, and each star writes a different part of our tale. Close your eyes and see the world as your heart does, as infinite and united. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. Lush gardens roll into view as an imam sits among a group of students, his calm voice commanding reflection. Imam al-Ghazali, actor. The Quran tells us, "We have made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another." What greater wisdom exists than to embrace diversity? True vision teaches us to see others as reflections of ourselves, an expression of the same Creator. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Soft golden light fills the screen in the serene courtyard of an ancient temple. Here the Buddha speaks, under the cover of a tranquil Bodhi tree. Buddha, actor. Chase not the worldly mirage, but the harmony within. Every thought a brushstroke, every action a mirror of your inner truth. Cultivate the garden of your mind, and you will harvest endless peace. Let us remember, vision is not given, but grown. Scene 5. Conclusion. Images of diverse people flash across the screen. A farmer tending crops, a mother teaching her child, elders sharing laughter, and communities showing resilience despite their differences. These snapshots of humanity are illuminated by an eternal light. King of the kingdom of God, narrator. This world brims with many voices, yet they speak of one truth. Wisdom from the past, present, and beyond our understanding converges at a singular point, the heart. When you embrace the vision of unity, you do more than see. You feel, you transform, you connect. You are invited to tread paths worn by sages, to listen with your spirit, and to shape tomorrow with the wisdom of yesterday. Be guided by love and humanity, and know this, you are not alone. You are a part of the salt of the earth, connected to all. Music swells gently as the film fades to black, ending on the words, "Respect the wisdom of others, for it illuminates the journey towards peace."